After multiple leaks and rumors, OPPO has officially disclosed the OPPO Reno8 series. As rumors have said, we have 3 smartphones, the 3 usual variants, coming at the same time. Namely, the company introduced the OPPO Reno8, Reno8 Pro, and Reno8 Pro Plus. Each device comes with its particularities and prices. One interesting thing to note is that the company has really managed to pioneer the recently released Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. Shortly after this chipset's release, the OPPO Reno8 series became the first to introduce smartphones with this chip. If you only look at the appearance, you may not be able to see that this is the latest model of the OPPO Reno series. The OPPO Reno8 series is different from the previous Reno series models. It adopts a new dual mirror appearance. The camera module is wrapped by an elegant curve on the back cover, as if the cloud is solidified on the back of the phone. OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus is even removed. The traditional camera decorative ring is used to make the entire back panel look and feel more integrated. In order to achieve such an excellent appearance, OPPO used the state-of-the-art hot forging process on the OPPO Reno8 series to create this integrated backplane with a high temperature and high pressure process. In terms of color, OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus has 3 colors: green, roman gray, and dark surge black, and also uses a straight-edged metal middle frame made of aviation aluminum, and the middle frame on the convex part of the lens also has targeted protrusions, so as to realize the look and feel like one. In terms of the size of the whole phone, OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus did not disappoint us. The thickness of the phone is only 7.34mm, which also makes the phone the thinnest Reno phone in history. The whole phone weighs only 183 grams and feels extremely comfortable. The OPPO Reno8 series obviously played with the appearance and recognition at the same time this time. Especially it is difficult to ensure the recognition without losing the appearance, and the OPPO Reno8 series just did both. Image performance has always been the top priority of the Reno series, and the OPPO Reno8 series is no exception. The main camera of the phone uses a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor. The ultra-wide-angle camera of the phone is 8-megapixel, which can provide a large field of view of 112 degrees. In addition, the phone is also equipped with a 2-megapixel macro camera. The most important thing in this is the main camera. After all, the main camera of this phone is the same as the OPPO Find X5 series, which is a flagship sensor. The larger size and good algorithm have the opportunity to bring excellent photo performance. As the camera with the best hardware in the OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus camera module, the image quality of the main camera is actually quite good, especially in terms of color performance, which can bring good colors even on cloudy days between rainstorms, which can be said to be very valuable. Although the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera is not outstanding in terms of hardware parameters, OPPO's excellent tuning can also bring a good picture look and feel, and the color and picture details can basically meet the needs. In terms of night scene performance, compared to the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera in previous years, which was often unsatisfactory in edge image quality, the OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus ultra-wide-angle camera has relatively high edge definition. The last 2-megapixel macro camera is a supplement beyond the 2 focal lengths. Perhaps the picture quality of this macro camera cannot bring about a qualitative leap, but for those users who want to shoot macro, this one dedicated camera also has full use. Hardware and experience are all a lot. In terms of hardware configuration, OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus is equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor. In fact, this year, MediaTek processors have been making frequent efforts. Compared with Qualcomm chips, they have more obvious advantages in terms of heat generation and energy efficiency. It is worth mentioning that OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus is also equipped with LPDDR5 memory and UFS 3.1 high-speed flash memory, which further ensures the smoothness of the user experience through higher rating speed. Of course, we must first look at the running points. The OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus scored 874 single-core points and 3507 multi-core points in the Geekbench test, and the AnTuTu test can also exceed 810,000 points. When playing regular games, if you do not pursue the highest frame rate and highest image quality, then OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus is also very satisfactory for the gaming experience, whether it is real-time fluency, heat generation, and battery life. It is guaranteed that there will be no hot phenomenon after a long game. It is worth mentioning that both OPPO Reno8 Pro and OPPO Reno8 Pro Plus are equipped with a 120Hz high refresh rate screen and an X-axis linear motor. The high refresh rate screen can significantly improve the smoothness in use. In addition, this ColorOS 12.1.1 also created a 36-month smooth engine for the fluency of the system, which can ensure smoothness after long-term use. In terms of battery life, the entire Reno8 series has been upgraded to 4500 mAh battery, an 80-watt long-life version super flash charge. The 80-watt power flash charging can also effectively reduce the charging time, and even after the battery is exhausted, users can quickly replenish the power. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, it is difficult to please a variety of different groups of people at the same time, especially smartphones, such as fast-moving digital products. but OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus has done it, and the reason is not difficult to understand. After all, as a mid to high-end model, it not only has sufficient performance, but also has outstanding performance in workmanship, appearance and texture. I would like to hear your opinion about the new flagship from OPPO. Write a comment below this video. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.